Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up your profile and saves to the cloud so nothing is lost. Once done, power off and unplug the Xbox. Grab a 2.5 SATA SSD, a soldered USB adapter for cloning, Torx T8/T10 drivers, and plastic pry tools. You will open the console. This voids warranty, so make sure you want to proceed. Remove the outer shell carefully, then locate and unlatch the hard drive cage. Once accessible, detach the HDD connector and set the old drive aside for cloning. You will clone the original drive to the new SSD using disk clone software on a PC. Make sure cloning copies all partitions and preserves boot sectors. Once cloning completes, verify the SSD boots in a USB enclosure if possible. Next, open the console again, remove the old drive, and fit the SSD into the drive bay. Secure it with screws and reconnect the SATA connector and bracket. Reassemble the case, ensuring all clips and screws are seated. Then plug the console back in and power on to test. You should let the Xbox detect and format the SSD if prompted. Once recognized, make the SSD the default install location in storage settings so games install to it. Run a system update and launch a few games to confirm faster load times and stable performance. If the console won't boot, power down and reseat the SATA connector. Make sure the clone was sector by sector and that partitions match. If problems persist, reconnect the original HDD to restore functionality. Then repeat cloning with verified software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.